Good morning, everyone. Today is June 4th, Wednesday. The market opens in about 1 hour, so I'd like to go through this as quick as I can. Netflix did close below this 420.59 level. I talked about that on Monday. I said I wasn't too worried about Netflix closing above that line here. Yesterday it did close below that line, and currently pre-market Netflix is down about $2.03 right now. I would like to see some more downside on Netflix, so we'll keep an eye on that one this morning. Next up, Yelp. Yelp managed to hold this 50-day moving average, and it did hold this line here, which was the low of this candle here. That price being $63.78. Yelp is down on pre-market, down about 1.35% currently. If this decides to pull back, watch your 20 and watch this line here, 59.71. Upside would be your 200-day moving average or the high of this candle, which is at 68.87. Next up, Tesla. Tesla closed below your 50-day moving average for the second day in a row. If this does decide to move lower, watch this 20-day moving average for some support. Tesla is down about 84 cents pre-market right now. Next up, Apple. Apple had a nice move yesterday. It did engulf this candle here. Watch this double top area for Apple, 644, even number. Apple currently is down about 65 cents currently. Not a big deal there, so keep an eye on that. I still favor the downside on Apple. I'd like to see Apple come back to this level here, your 20-day moving average, or this line here. I've got that drawn in at 605, 605.09, somewhere around there. Next up, Facebook. Facebook is still okay. It's still trading inside of this, inside of this wide or green bar here until it loses the low, or until it closes below the low of this candle here, which is at 61.57. Facebook is still okay. Plus, you have some support down here at the 20 and your 50-day moving average. This would be support, so keep an eye on that. Your upside on Facebook would be first this level here, 63.58, and your next level up here, 64.97. Currently Facebook is trading, let me see here, Facebook is down pre-market about 40 cents, 0.64%, so keep an eye on that. Next up, LinkedIn. As I said in Monday's video, this had a very nice sell-off on Monday. Expect this to go sideways, and as you can see here, it is holding the 20-day moving average. Watch that line. Currently it is at 152.08. LinkedIn pre-market is trading at down $1.35. Currently it is at 154.46. Watch your 20-day moving average, 152.08. Next up, Amazon. Amazon, again, watch your 20-day moving average here for some support. Currently it is at 302.61. That's where your 20-day moving average is at. Amazon right now pre-market is down 94 cents. Currently it's at 306.25. I don't see a whole lot more upside on Amazon. You will have resistance here at the 50-day moving average, which is now sloped down about this level, 316.49. Next up, Bank of America. Bank of America is just still going sideways. Watch your 200 and watch the 20. It's just kind of hovering in between both levels, so I won't spend too much time on that one. Next up, YHOO. YHOO again closed below our level here, but it is above the 20. YHOO is just going sideways here. I don't see a whole lot more upside on YHOO as there's a lot of resistance here. As you could see here yesterday, it just barely tagged the 50-day moving average and then pulled back. So I don't see a lot more on YHOO. Currently, YHOO pre-market is trading at 34.61. It's only down about 4 cents, so not a whole lot of pre-market action on YHOO. Next up, Twitter. Twitter yesterday managed to close above the 20-day moving average. It's a nice move there. Here's some support to watch on Twitter. 31.14. That just comes. I'm sorry, 31.09. I should adjust that line. That just comes from the low of this candle here, 31.09. Currently, Twitter pre-market is trading at. All right, this is one of the few stocks out there that is green right now. It's up 6 cents pre-market. Again, watch for this line here, 31.09 for some support, and watch the high of that candle, which was 33.64, if in case it does decide to move up. Let's see here. Let's go over these spiders here. I have a big list here. Here we go. These spiders did close yesterday at 192.80. Currently, the SPY is trading down, I believe. Yeah, down about 38 cents, 0.20%. I would like to see the SPY pull back. We did gap down yesterday, but here we go. We gapped down here, as you can see, and we made our way back up towards the end of the day. So I still favor some downside on the SPY. This is a little overextended, in my opinion. I'd like to see the SPY come back to this 190.42. And as you can see, your 20-day moving average is sloping up and eventually will meet up with this line here. Last one, WX. I mentioned this one, I think on Monday. This one's playing out very well so far. I love the pattern. Yesterday it did tag this 20-day moving average. I'd like to see what it does today. I'm looking for a break above this down sloping line here, so we'll see what that does today. I believe that's all I had for today. Alright, thanks a lot for watching, and have a good rest of your morning or afternoon. Thanks a lot.